My Shorts channel has over 20 million views and many viral videos, but my recent shorts aren't really doing well. Most of them stuck after getting that first a few thousand views again and again and again. I need to break this cycle, so in this video, I will try to create a short completely from scratch, get at least 1 million views, and show how much money I made from it. Let's dive in. What day is it? It's August 7th, 2023. At the end of this video, you will have a viral strategy to use in your next shorts and a full guide on how to make it no matter your niche or experience. I use ChatGPT and Canva to make 300 videos in 30 minutes, or use this website to make clips from interviews kind of tutorial. I tried all of them and trust me, they don't work at all. You will end up getting 0 views after all the effort you put in. And even if you magically get 10 million views with those AI generated shorts, you can't monetize it anyways, because YouTube doesn't monetize repetitive content. And while posting 300 mass-produced videos is repetitive as back to the video, so do not expect a copy-paste tutorial here. You need to put in the work and learn how to make a viral short. We will go from finding the video idea to writing the script, voiceover, editing captions, music sound effect, but first, we need an update. I'm going to do some research to find out what works on the shorts right now. I'll be back soon. So after 3 hours of serious research, here's the new spell. Now let's get to work. This was the first mistake I was making in my old videos, and if you can't make a viral short, that's probably what you are missing as well. If you have a bad video idea, you can't make it go viral no matter how good you write your script or edit. Well, how to pick a killer video idea. A short about a new Marvel movie has a better chance of going viral than an interview with the Spider-Man actor published 6 years ago. So I'm gonna look to Google Trends for a new movie that fans are excited about. Well, I don't even need to look there because I'm a fan myself. I know Loki Season 2 has a new trailer. That's the advantage of being a part of your audience. If you're passionate about your niche, you already know what's trending. Anyways, we got the video idea. Now when it comes to scripting a short, I always thought I should keep my scripts as short as possible. Like a boxer punching his opponent and stepping back. Because if everything stays the same, which video will get more views? YouTube shows longer shorts on the homepage where people are less likely to skip. Fun fact, my most viewed short got 70% of its views from the homepage. Alright, here's the actual data by this legend that shows the duration of viral shorts. We're making a video about the story of this actor, Ke Huy Quan, which is a story by itself, but even though it's less than a minute, adding some kind of story to your shorts makes people watch to learn what happens at the end. I'm too lazy to do the research, so I'll ask Bing to write me the whole career of our guide AI automation. Huh? After taking useful parts and putting in a story, here's the next point. Hearing the story from only one person is okay, but we can take it to the next level by adding another speaker. There are tons of text-to-speech tools out there, but the one I use is called ElevenLabs. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now is made by this thing. Now all you need to do is choose a voice or generate, I will show this part in Premiere Pro, but you can do the same in every editing software first to make sure we're on the same page. Drag the windows around. To get a similar setup, it should look like this at the end, or use whatever setup works for you. Take the voiceover you generated and import it to your project, then drag it to the timeline. Take the razor tool and cut all the pauses. Now overlap the clips to get a faster pacing. Listen to see if it sounds natural or not, and repeat this for the whole voiceover. Nice job. Now if you need more stock videos and images, use Pixels, then take all that footage and import to Premiere. Cover all your voiceover with related clips. Don't forget to add 1 or 2 interaction clips to keep the viewers engaged. Look at that, you just made a rough cut. For your video now, the fun part begins first. Resize all your clips to fit the screen. Use keyframes to add zoom-ins, zoom-outs, and camera movements to make them smoother. Click this button, click a keyframe, and drag these handles closer to each other. Basically, it makes the movement start slowly, go faster, and then slow down again. Looks better. This guy says adding some graphics like circles and arrows increases the engagement. Actually, the shorter I create in the video now has over 38 million views. Wow. I use yellow text on a black box in 2 sizes. One small for regular captions and one big for highlighting important points. That's not the case if you're using an automatic caption app or something, because everyone else is using it too. Sound effects is a different